These are Oakley Spike frames, and I'm going to show you how to replace the lenses. So first thing you're going to do is to take out the lenses. You're going to hold the top part of the metal frame and push. You're going to pull out on the metal frame while pushing down on the lens, like so. There might be some resistance, but you just have to push. Now, once you've done that, to reinstall the lenses, you are going to take the far side of the lens and place it into the groove on the far side of the frame. You want to make sure that it lines up snugly, and then you're going to hold 2 fingers underneath while 1 finger on top and almost bend it. So you make sure it's snug, and then snap the rest into place, like so. Now again with the other side. You're going to want to take the far side of the lens and place it into the far side of the frame. Make sure that the lens is inside the grooves, and then you're just going to want to snap the rest into place. And that is it.